If you're looking for Velo price forecasts for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 and want to know where the prices of Velo will be, you're in the right place. Velo will probably go from here on out, which is a very big deal. We'll look at how much Velo has cost in the past and what experts are saying about how much it will cost in the future. This sudden drop means that the coin is in a plunge right now, which could mean that it's a good time to buy and a chance to make some quick money. The 90-day price fluctuates around 57.55, and the price ranges from a low average price of 0.002 to a high average price of 0.003 in the beyond 90 days. In the past 4 months, Velo sort of has shown a growing trend, so we think that similar pieces of the market were very popular at that time. According to the most recent information we have, the number of shares traded has increased from 4 months ago. We expect future value cost standards to be met after 4 months. The other guy's figure by being kind of deep in every way that counts. Velo's past price information was analyzed with the help of logic and technical research. We try hard to get the most accurate information we can about Velo, including things like its past price. Velo market cap. Velo volume doesn't matter much anymore, or so they thought. If you want to invest in advanced digital currencies and make a lot of money, you should read our predictions. Based on our in-depth technical analysis of Velo's past prices, the price of Velo is expected to be around 0.008 in 2023. According to our research, Velo number is expected to reach its lowest possible level of 0.012 in 2024. The Velo cost could reach a maximum theoretically possible level of 0.014, with an average gauge cost of 0.012. This is the Velo value prediction for 2025. According to cost estimates and expert examinations, the cost of Velo explicitly is expected to reach at least 0.018 in 2025. The velocities can go as high as 0.021, but the average exchange cost is only 0.018. Velo value expectation 2026. According to the figure in the professional examination, the price of Velo should hit at least 0.027 in 2026. The most it can be worth is $0.032, and the average is $0.028. In 2027, the price of Valor was expected to hit at least 0.039. Throughout 2027, the value price could reach a high of 0.048. with an average exchange rate of 0.040. Velo value expectation 2028. Velo cost is expected to reach its lowest possible level of 0.055 in 2028, which is very important based on what we've found. The price of Velo could go as high as $0.066, with $0.056 being the average guess. Velo price prediction for 2029 is based on a very thorough technical analysis of Velo's past prices. In 2029, the price of Velo is expected to hit at least 0.077, which is very high. The Velocas can only reach a maximum of 0.094, and the average exchange rate is 0.079. Velo value estimate 2030. In 2030, the price of a Velo is expected to hit a minimum of 11 cents and a maximum of 13 cents. The average price of a Velo is expected to be 12 cents throughout the year. Velo value forecast 2031. In reality, the price of Velo is expected to hit at least 17 cents in 2031, which is a very important number. In contrast to what most people think, the Velo price could reach a high of 20 cents. With a very average exchange rate of 17 cents all the way through 2031. Incredibly, Velo value forecast 2032. Velo is expected to cost at least 24 cents in 2032. The Velo price can go as high as 29 cents, but the average price will be 25 cents from now until 2032. In a major way, how high could the average price of Velo ever go? Velo could often reach 0.008 before the end of this year. If we measure the 5-year plan, it is thought that the coin will easily reach the 0.040 mark. What will the Velo's highest estimate price be in 2023? Interestingly, the Velo cost is expected to reach a sort of peak of 0.009 by the end of 2023, which is a very big number. How much money will Velo be worth in 5 years? Velo will